There is something hazardous dissolved in the air that we have to capture. The 21st century is an era of industrial and economic development. In this race of development, willing and unwillingly, our air got polluted and poisoned at such an extent that we are hardly with fresh air on the planet to breathe. Now, air pollution is a global crisis. Air pollution affects 90% of the global population. 37 billion metric ton carbon emits every year and rising rapidly. The main sources of black carbon are smoke emitted from the transport sector, generators, industrial chimneys, power plants, burning of crops, and fires in landfills, leading to toxic, hazardous air pollution, which is a serious threat to the environment and badly affects human health. PM 2.5 are so small that they can travel deeply into the respiratory tract, reaching to the lungs, increasing the risk of health problems like stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and lung cancers. WHO estimates that 3.1 million people die prematurely each year from air pollution. Here is some good news. Introducing our chip technology named Varo C6 Carbon Capture Technology. Varo C6 is advanced carbon capture chip technology that works without any mechanism. No filtration, no ionization, no magnetic field, no high voltage, no UV light, and also there is no heat emitted during the process. Working on solar energy of 14 volt only. It also kills harmful bacteria and viruses too. Polluted air blows inside the device, capturing all particulate matter, dust, and toxic gases, and delivers fresh air in environment as fresh as the quality of air in the Himalayas. We designed very first model is for street light poles or signal poles. As the major vehicle passes under street lights, emitting toxic smoke and dust particles, next device is designed to capture smoke emitted from gensets and industrial chimneys. Few more designs are developed to install on taxis, trucks, and buildings. Installed Varo C6 SDR 102 device on street lights, capturing pollution from passing vehicles. It's like installing artificial lungs in our cities, saving lives and protecting the environment. Varo C6 101 is built to last, certified for extreme conditions and complying with international standards like ISO and CE. It operates 24/7 in any weather, delivering 30 liters of fresh air per second. That's over 1 lakh liters air per hour. And the benefits go beyond clean air. But Varo C6 technology isn't just for outdoors. Our filterless indoor purifiers uses advanced electrostatic technology to eliminate bacteria, mold, viruses, and even odors. Perfect for homes, hospitals, offices, and anywhere you need clean, healthy air. When there is no pollution, oxygen level in every cell increases by 15% to 18%, which results in increase in human lifespan by 15 to 20 years. Breathe fresh, breathe healthy. Breathe Varo C6.